I did it. I did it. I did it. And Michaela, the queen of all things makeup, has said, which is what I did think. I'm taking credit for thinking that you set, you don't bake. You can put a little powder just to set your concealer. That makes sense. People said you bake only for photo shoots. Whatever it was, I wanted to like some powder. Okay, so here's the thing. Becca has a powder that I've liked, and it's got a meshy, soft basket so you can access the product. Then there's this other brand, matte, it's called Pacifica, and I think it's way less expensive. So I'm going to try to set and see if that gives me all the wrinklies and if I should just leave it alone. They said, let the product dry. I'm excited. If packaging matters and a delivery system matters, there can be no better package than this Pacifica. So if this powder isn't total garbage, we're doing great. It's got that mesh basket and the top is attached. The one keeps detaching on the Becca. Wow, okay, I figured it out. Oh my God, I figured it out. The more you know, the more stupid you get. Okay, that looks insane. Holy shitballs. This is called Pacifica. And look how good that looks. I did. Okay, let's try the other one. This is Becca. Gotta look up how much that product cost. I was saying you have to kiss a lot of frogs to get to the prince. So, well, I'll have all these good makeup products at the end. Whoa and whoa. I can't even get over this. This Pacifica is is great. Look at my eyes. Look at what happened here. It crumbled. The other one, and Becca's an amazing powder. Like, I love it. But it just, maybe it's just stuff under there. Let me just make sure. I have determined that this Pacifica powder is good for the set move. It's like that Laura Mercier move I used to do. It's unbelievable. This is a great product. I'm freaking out. I'm excited.